Hello everyone, Professor Cadney's here. I hope that everyone had a really nice Thanksgiving holiday. And congratulations, if you're watching this video, we have just 2 more weeks of the semester to go. This week is preparation for your final exams, and then next week is going to be your exam week. So great work so far. I wanted to just shout out Doris, Paul, and Selena, who right now have been talking about the college mindfulness workbook quotation about dead things. And I just wanted to let you all know that you are not dead things. In this course, you have grown so much and you have changed so much, and that is really beautiful. And that growth and that change and that willingness to learn has been really wonderful for me to witness. So thank you so much for that. This week, you are going to be given your actual exam materials, and the assignments that you will be doing relate to those exam materials. So this week you're actually not going to be submitting anything, but you're going to be having, I'm going to give you all the materials and you can work on preparing for your final exams using those materials. So this is a really important week for looking at the materials, for doing annotation, for prepping an outline for your essay for next week, and for really looking at my comments from the practice reading and practice essay exam to get a sense of just what you need to work on to make sure that you pass your final exam. It's really important to pass the final exam. The final exam is worth a lot of points, and it really shows both me and then others in the department that you have passed the course. So your essay is actually going to be read by me and by one other individual, just to make sure that my grading is on par with their grading, and it's just a check that we have in place to make sure that everything goes as fairly as possible for you guys. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Again, really good job so far. Email me now if you have any questions. And since you're not submitting work this week, this would also be a good week to catch up on work if we've talked about or made a plan for you to get caught up on work if you have fallen behind. If we haven't made that plan, just contact me and let me know what you would like to do. So some of you really do need to reach out to me and then talk to me about sort of moving forward from now until the end of the semester. And many of you are right on track. So wherever you are, that's good. And I wish you a really lovely week. And I can't wait to just finish up this class really strongly. All right, thanks.